kind like that. But I did all the same thing. Even now I hope you know you get something from Ramon Pascual. I'd like to think that we have done a good job. We continue to be, we're the second largest high school in Parañaque. We hope the largest being St. Andrews. Second time. The enrollment is peak like around in the 90s, I think. Na umabot ng 1,200. That's why we were forced to build the building in the dami-dami. You know, we were refusing students at that time. You'll be surprised. I refused students. Sarado na wala. I was very, I did,